Hi, I'm Captain Jay Howell. I'm going to show you how to snell a hook. Take some fluorocarbon leader. Take your fluke hook. You take your line. You go through the top of the hole on the fluke hook. Leave enough room for a long tag. Pinch it down low in the shaft of the hook. Then with the tag end, you want to come around and make loops around the shaft of the hook and the line that you put through down the shaft. Make about a dozen or so loops around the hook and the line. Come all the way up to the top of the hook, about a dozen or so times. And once you get to the top, you want to come back. If you can see, there's a loop down here. You want to come back through the loop, then hold the tag end, and as you hold it, you want to pull it slowly up the shaft. Make sure that all your loops are in line and not overlapping. And once that's done, you want to clinch it up with this end. Grab your tool, get a good grip on the end of the tag, good grip here, and pull tight. Once it's all nice and even, you want to just go ahead and clip the tag in, leaving a little bit. That's your Snell knot on your fluke hook.